The stream works this time and I'm not hiding stuff. We'll see. So as soon as someone drops in, I want to have more people kind of tell me if everything's working well. All right, so here's kind of what I've been working on. I'm learning the Unity toolkit for UI, the new stuff, the latest UI tech from Unity. So it's very web-based. So you got style sheets and you got a UX or XML doc. Now there's a visual editor to it, but I'm working on a workflow to allow me to build Unity UIs rapidly with the help of AI and be able to create a interface super fast. So here you can kind of see the previewer, and this is how you can actually build it in the Unity UI, but I've not used this at all. And I was able to quickly replicate the RimWorld UI here. Well, not completely, but it's a good chunk of the way there. So we hit play. And I did none of this work, my UI work myself. The scripting and the UI was all just from prompting. So we got multiple survivor or colonists. I gotta fix the text here. Randomize them. And yeah. So pretty cool if you, but let's go ahead and stop. So what I want to do is add a icon for the gender right here. So I've got two gender icons. Do I still have that open? Let's see. So if I go to the way I've been finding my assets here is with asset browser. So this is a really powerful tool that indexes all my assets and allows me to pull images and artwork out of my assets without having to actually download the entire asset. So I just took these two textures and put them in the game and did not have to download the entire 2 gigs of that asset and put it in my project. Crazy handy. All right, so let's see here. Let me make sure I can hear myself well first. Where is my phone? Twitch. Mic check, mic check. 212. Seems loud. I'm gonna push it back. All right, how about now? Hello, hello. I'm gonna keep that for now. Hopefully. That sounds really rough. Let's play with some filters. Okay, how about now? How about now? Get like a peak. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess that sounds better. Again, let me know if the audio is bad, and I will adjust it. That sounds bad on my headset. Well, on my Bluetooth earpod. How about now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. All right, we'll keep it there for now. Let's see. All right. So let's copy this over. There we go. That looks much better. Hit play. Turn the gain down just in case. I really want this to sound good for you all, and I don't know. But when I turn my head and talk, it's obviously going to go down. I'm going to play with one more thing here. Do-do-do. All right, whatever. So, what I'm trying to do is create a character creation screen for my colonist. God, I wonder if that's my earbuds or not. I can hear myself. Hmm. Whatever. All right, so the text box looked much better. Hit randomize. I'm going to change the stats to my game stats, but for right now, I'm just trying to do. Man, it just sounds bad. Is anyone out there currently listening? What's it sound like for you? Mm-hmm. I'm going to go to YouTube, see if it sounds bad. Am I live on YouTube? Should be. Oh, let's see. Testing, testing, testing. Am I live on YouTube? Should be. Testing, testing, testing. Oh, let's see. Testing, testing, testing. live on YouTube? All right, whatever. I'll figure it out eventually here. Testing, testing, testing. Oh, let's see. All right, whatever. So the next step is I want to get the I want to add the favorite color. If faction screen. Actually pick one. I haven't played Rimworld. I don't think I can. This logo, or the gender icon, and this. There's a lot to Rimworld. Let's keep it easy for now. So the workflow is you use Gemini or you use ChatGPT or whatever your favorite AI is, or if you're running local AI models, and you ask it to build up the UXML and the USS file for the UI. And since it's now a web-based workflow, you can actually whip out UIs really fast. So now I'm going to have it add the green square, which is the character's favorite color. A tooltip stating it. Then in front of age, add a small icon for the gender symbol. Textures. So I've been using Gemini's Canvas to kind of just work through this. If anyone's out there, say hi. Let me know that my audio is good. You can hear me. Like I'm blowing up on you or I'm clipping or anything like that. So, okay, good. Appreciate it. How about now? Is it still good or too loud? Yeah, Let me take these out. I've been trying to stream again, but it's either like the stream messes up or the audio is bad. So I'm just trying to dial everything in. So just let me know if things kind of clip or whatnot. I used to stream a lot, like back in the day, from over a year ago probably, and I had everything dialed in perfect. now I'm trying to get back to that state. You know what I mean? All right, so we'll update our character model, and then the I'll break these out into individual classes once I get past this prototyping stage. But basically, I've come up with a way to build Unity UIs super fast with AI. I hate doing UI work. So let's see here. I'm modeling it off of RimWorld's interface because the game I'm building, I'll show you real quick, is a colony sim